Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will be showing how to create an elegant backdrop in a truss grid. This truss is 33 feet long by 12 feet high. So stay tuned and enjoy, okay? I already strap pieces of wood strip to the truss to cover 33 feet in length and 12 foot and the upright. Alright, basically, I will be stapling the fabric from one end to the other. I would also need excess of 2 feet on either side. So when I start to wrap the truss, I would have sufficient to go around it. We will firmly staple this from one end and to the next, so just stay tuned and enjoy the view as we go. Now we will be taking the fabric around the truss to cover the metal. Alright, right here is the excess fabric I spoke about. This excess fabric will cover the top end of the truss here. Right here. Just as we did when we started to staple the fabric, we will staple both ends first and then we will staple in the middle. The purpose of this is to ensure you have full coverage right through from one end to the other without no issues. You also need to get this as stiff and as firm as possible. So just watch as I do my thing, okay? Both ends are stapled, so we will be doing the same thing in the middle to get the middle as firm and as neat as the ends are, and then we move on to the next process. We will also wrap both upright, but we will leave that until last. For now, I will start the process of creating the backdrop. I will be using 2 layers, actually 3 layers of fabric First, I will be using a layer of taffeta to line it. This I will also pleat, and then I will move to the next aspect where I will also run the first pleated layer of sheer over it, and then another pleated layer of sheer. So you know what to do. Stay tuned, be in tune, and enjoy, okay? So here I'm putting on the first layer of fabric, which, as I said before, I'm using taffeta to line the back of the truss here. So this will give you a bit of coverage so you won't be able to see directly through the sheer when I put it up there. For those who have seen this video before, would realize that I'm uploading this video for the second time around. I'm doing this because I had some copyright issues. I tried fixing them in studio, but I was having issues doing that as well. So I decided to delete and re-upload. The saddest thing about it though is that I got copyright using my own song. I own my lyrics, I own my voice, however the beat is owned by a friend of mine. He was okay with me using the beat as well. However, but due to the fact that it is being distributed by someone else, their license automatically give us a strike when using the music. So that's what happened. So this is it. This is the re-upload version. This is the updated version. So you know, just go ahead and enjoy. And as I say, one love, God bless. Right here, I will be adding the first layer of sheer on top of the taffeta here. Instead to go to the next end and come back, I will just do it as I go. So I will continue this process until the entire ear is covered. So as soon as straw is finished at that end, it will continue laying the taffeta to that end, and then I will just follow with the sheer. So here is a view from the front. So here I'm adding the sheer, the first layer of sheer going up. So we'll just continue like this until the structure is covered, and then we will tie the sheer, and then after that we will be adding another layer of sheer on top of it. Trust me, you want to stay until the end of this video, you want to watch it until the end to behold the beauty of what we do. You know, this is what we do, and this is all we do what we do, okay? Here is a close-up look, guys. This is just a close-up view to show you how it is done. Alright? Also doing this in slow motion so you can have a better feel of how it's done, okay? These persons who manufacture these fabric, they have a very dirty style. They like to piece in the fabric. Sometimes you buy a roll of fabric and you piece in 3-4 times. That does not help us. When we order X amount in length, it does mean that we need length. Most of the time we need the length to do what we are doing. So when you piece in the fabric, that will definitely throw us off. Anyway, I'm trying to tear off the piece that is piecing and to continue. So here you have it. This is the finished look. This is the finished product. I hope it was worth your while. I hope you enjoy watching from the beginning, and here we're approaching the end. So just, enjoy it to the fullest. I know it was worth your while because it was worth mine. I'm not easy to please, so I'm satisfied. I hope you are too, okay? So my friends, my viewers, my subscribers, feel free to let me know in the comment section what you think of this. Also, you can let me know what you think of other work that I've done. Remember now, please don't keep it all to yourself, okay? Feel free to share it with your friends. So we have come to the end of another video, another wonderful video, another productive video, another productive day. So thank you all for coming. One love, God bless.